So I have the hiccups. So I was going to try to record them right now. Let's see how long they last. I can... You know, anybody who likes hiccuping, you know when you... Like, you have the hiccups, and then it's like... They're about to go away, and then... You can feel the next hiccup coming, and then it never comes. That's, like, the worst thing in the world. Since I am a primarily burping channel, I just thought I'd throw a couple burps in there. I don't get the hiccups often, but I actually got the hiccups 2 times a day. And I just thought to myself to record, and this lighting sucks. I'm sorry. I'm going to try to get a close-up of me hiccuping. Let me see. Might not happen, I'm sorry. I can burp on command, but I cannot hiccup on command. I should have my mic because you can hear like the in my teeth of my hiccups. Ooh, I felt that hiccup. I'm sorry. I think they're gone. They might be gone. Yeah, I think they're gone. If you like hiccup videos, thumbs up and comment down below. Because I will definitely just turn the camera on whenever I get hiccups and I will post it to YouTube. If you like this, for real, let me know. Message me, Instagram, Miss B Burping, or Twitter, or comment below. Thank you.